Okay mga kawangmat, in this video we will discuss the theorems on triangle inequalities, particularly on exterior angle inequality theorem. So in this video, we will illustrate theorems on triangle inequalities, including the exterior angle inequality theorem, triangle inequality theorem, and the hinge theorem. But we will be discussing the part 1 of this video, which is the exterior angle inequality theorem. But before we proceed, don't forget to like our video and subscribe na rin kayo. Thank you! So let me give you a short review on what is an exterior angle of a triangle. So ano ba itong exterior angle and remote interior angles of a triangle? Kasi we can use this concept sa ating exterior angle inequality theorem. Okay, so pag wala po tayong idea sa exterior angle and remote interior angles of your exterior angle, then mahihirapan po tayong intindihin ang exterior angle inequality theorem. So I have here a given triangle. So as you can see, we have here 3 angles of a triangle. So always remember that for every triangle, lagi po siyang merong 3 interior angles. Now, what do we mean by interior angles? So, ito po yung mga angles na makikita natin sa loob ng triangle natin. So, looking at our example, so as you can see, we have here 3 triangles. We have angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So, therefore, our interior angles are angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Tatandaan that when we say interior, these are the angles inside your triangle. And we always have 3 interior angles for every triangle. Now, what do we mean by exterior angle of a triangle? So, pag sinabi naman nating exterior, from the word exterior means outside. Okay? So, ito yung mga angles na na-form when you try to extend the sides of your triangle. So, kapag in-extend po natin yung mga sides ng ating triangle, meron po tayong mga na-form na angles dyan. Okay? So, meron tayong 3 angles dito. Meron din tayong 3 rito. Meron din tayong 3 angles dito. Pero, alin ba dito? Since ang sabi, exterior. Okay? So, lahat itong 3 angles natin are all exterior. But, pag sinabi nating exterior angle, it should be adjacent to your interior angle. So, pag sinabi nating adjacent, they must have a common vertex and they must be a linear pair. So, they must form a linear pair. So, pag sinabing linear pair, dapat po may common side po sila. So, aside from being adjacent na may common vertex, dapat po a linear pair po sila. So, ito po dapat, ibig sabihin, may common vertex at may common side. So, given these 3 exterior angles, alin dito ang exterior angle of the interior? So, pag sinabi nating exterior, dapat linear pair at may common side. So, ibig sabihin, ang mga exterior angles natin dito ay ito po. So, hindi po kasama ito. Okay? So, although, ma'am, nasa labas rin naman po siya, yes. But, based dito sa definition po ng ating exterior angle, it should be adjacent and it must form a linear pair. So, kapag adjacent and linear pair, dapat po may common vertex and common side sila. So, ito yan. Kung ito po yung interior angle mo, ito po ang adjacent angles kasi may common side sila. Ito pong side at ito pong side. Okay? And then, for angle 1, ito rin po ang kanyang exterior angles. For angle 2, ito po ang kanyang exterior angles. So, let us name all the exterior angles of angle 1. So, we have angle 4 and angle 5. For angle 2, we have angle 6 and angle 7. For angle 3, we have angle 8 and angle 9. So, for angle 1, angle 4 and angle 5 are the exterior angles of angle 1. Angle 6 and 7 are the exterior angles of 2. Ganun din po sa 3. Now, ano pong tawag natin dito sa angle na hindi exterior angle ni angle 1? So, ang tawag po sa kanya ay vertical angle. So, ito pong naiwan na to ay vertical angle po nung iyong interior angle. So, in the given triangle, meron po tayong interior angle and vertical angle niya. Okay? Now, given this pair of exterior angles for every interior angle, sa bawat pair po ng exterior angle natin, they are also considered vertical angles. Okay, so tatandaan, aside from being exterior sila ng interior angle mo, vertical angles po yung bawat pair ng exterior angles natin. Okay, so these two angles, angle 6 and 7, are also vertical angles. Ito rin po si angle 8 and angle 9. Next, what do we mean by remote interior angles? So again, remote interior, so this is referring to the interior angles. So these are two interior angles not adjacent to the exterior angles. So kung meron tayong adjacent kanina, ito naman not adjacent. So ano ba ang difference nito? Kapag for every exterior angle, so meron tayong exterior angle na 9. So, pag sinabi nating remote interior, ibig sabihin, ano yung dalawang interior angle na kung saan hindi adjacent sa kanya. Kasi kung adjacent sa kanya, angle 3 yon. Ang sabi, pag sinabing remote interior, not adjacent. So, ang remote interior ni angle 9 or angle 1 and angle 2. So, let us name all the remote interior angles of angle 5. So, we have, for angle 5, we have angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, so for angle 5, since exterior angle to, ito po yung kanyang interior angle. But when we are talking to remote interior, ito po yung interior angle na hindi niya katabi o hindi adjacent sa kanya. So, we have angle 2 and angle 3. Okay? And then for angle 9, so you have here the exterior angle. So ang remote interior po nito ay si angle 1 and angle 2. And then for angle 7, ang remote interior po nito ay si angle 1 and angle 3. So always remember that the remote interior angles are the angles that are not adjacent to the exterior angle. Let's have an example. So I have here a given triangle with the given measure, which is 125 degrees for angle 12. Now let us fill in the blank with the correct angle or measure. So for number 1, name all the exterior angles. So name all the exterior angles. So we have angle 5, angle 7, angle 6, angle 8, angle 4, and angle 12. Okay, so again, angle 10 and angle 11 are not exterior angles of your interior angle. Pag sinabi nga po nating exterior angle, katabi po siya, adjacent, o nagpo-form po siya ng linear pair sa interior angle mo. Next, name all the interior angles. So what are the interior angles? So we have 3 interior angles, angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. What are the remote interior? So, pag sinabing remote interior, not adjacent. So, of angle 5. So, if this is your angle 5, okay, so if this is your angle 5, ito yung adjacent sa kanya. So, pag sinabi nating remote interior, not adjacent. So, we have angle 2 and angle 3. And then, what is the adjacent interior angle to angle 4? So, if this is your angle 4, ang sabi naman dito adjacent, ibig sabihin katabi. So, yung interior angle na katabi ni angle 4, and that is angle 3. So, since hindi naman sinabing remote interior, ibig sabihin hindi siya angle 1 and 2. Okay, so that is the difference between adjacent interior angle and remote interior angles. Next, what is the measure of angle 3? Now, for us to find the measure of angle 3, since binanggit kanina that these two angles form a linear pair and therefore they are supplementary. So, angle 3 and angle 12 are supplementary angles. So, pag sinabi natin supplementary angles, therefore, the sum of their measures must be 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang angle 12 mo ay 125 degrees na, therefore, your angle 3 is what? 55 degrees. So, therefore, your angle 3 is 55 degrees. Again, so kung ang interior mo at exterior mo ay nasa same vertex, therefore, ang sum po niyan must be 180. Now, what is the measure of angle 2? If this is your angle 2, paano natin makukuha ang measure ni angle 2, which is one of the interior angles? So, paano siya makukuha? Always remember the triangle sum theorem, that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle must be 180. So, dapat 68 plus 55, ano dapat ang measure ng angle na to para ang sum niya ay maging 180? And that is 57. So, therefore, the measure of angle 2 is 57 degrees. Next, what is the measure of angle 7? Your angle 7 is adjacent to the interior angle, which is angle 1. So, kung adjacent siya dyan, ibig sabihin, the sum must be 180. So, 180 minus 68, that is 112. Okay? So, therefore, your angle 7 is 112. How about angle 4? So, this is also adjacent to angle 3. So, dapat 180 yan. 180 minus 55, that is 125. And the measure of angle 8. So, the measure of angle 8 is also adjacent to the measure of angle 2, or supplementary sila. So, 180 minus 57, that is 123. So, this is 123 degrees. And the measure of angle 9, so since hindi po siya exterior angle ni angle 1, dahil hindi naman sila magkatabi, ano po sila? Vertical angle. So, always remember that vertical angles are always congruent. Okay? So, kung vertical angle sila, ibig sabihin si angle 9 mo is also 68 degrees. Now, let us try to observe one of the exterior angle and its remote interior angle. So, given the exterior angle, which is angle 12, ano po ulit yung kanyang remote interior? So, meron po tayong remote interior ni angle 12. Ano ibig sabihin ng remote interior? Hindi adjacent sa kanya. So, we have angle 1 and angle 2. Okay? Now, let us try to get the measure of angle 1, angle 12. Your angle 12 is 125 degrees. And your angle 1 is 68 degrees. Your angle 2 is 57 degrees. Now, if you will try to look at the given measures, ano pong napansin ninyo? What have you noticed? So, as you can see, how will you compare the measures of the sum of your interior angles, remote interior angles, to its exterior? Okay, so the exterior angle is equal to the sum of its two remote interior angles. Okay? So, kapag inad natin yung dalawang remote interior angle niya, ang nakukuha po ay yung sum ng exterior angle. Okay? So, every time na meron po tayong exterior angle, halimbawa po ito, si angle 6. Ang measure po nito, makukuha mo si angle 6 by adding the measures of its two remote interior angles. So, para makuha natin si angle 6, i-add natin yung dalawang remote niya. So, 68 plus 55. Para makuha mo si angle 4. So, si angle 4, ang remote para makuha natin ang measure ni angle 4, given siya dito, di ba? That is 125. So, kung hindi to given, paano natin makukuha yung angle 4? I-add po natin yung kanyang dalawang remote interior. So, 68 plus 57, we have 125. Kaya, ayun po siya. Okay? So, halimbawa, I have angle 5. So, your angle 5, paano natin makukuha yung exterior angle natin, which is angle 5. So, i-add po natin yung dalawang remote interior niya. So, 55 plus 57, yun po ang measure ng angle na to. Okay? So, tatandaan that the exterior angle is always equal to the sum of the measures of its two remote interior angles. Ayan po siya. So, the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. Now, ano po bang relationship nito sa exterior angle inequality theorem? So, I have here a given triangle with 3 interior angles and 6 exterior angles. Given the measures of angle 1, which is 75 degrees, and angle 2, 60 degrees, and angle 3, which is 45 degrees. Now, let us find the measures of all the angles. So, paano natin makukuha yung measures ng lahat ng ating angles, ng exterior angles natin? So, again, angle 1 and angle 4 are adjacent angles and it forms a linear pair. So, therefore, they are supplementary. So, ima-minus lang po natin ito sa 180 and that is 105 degrees. Ganon din po ito kasi exterior niya po si angle 5. So, this is also 105 degrees. Para makuha natin si angle 6, since they are supplementary, ima-minus natin to sa 180. So, this angle 6 is 120 degrees. And ganon din po ito, since exterior angle siya ni angle 2, that is also 120 degrees. Next, for angle 3, since your angle 3 measures 45 degrees, therefore, the sum must be 180. The sum of angle 3 and angle 9 must be 180 degrees. So, i-minus natin to sa 180. Then, this is 135 degrees. Ganon din po dito. So, that is 135 degrees. Now, so given na po lahat ng measures po ng ating interior angles and exterior angles, also the exterior angle and its two remote interior angles. Now, let us check. Dapat itong exterior angle mo is equal to the sum of these two kasi ito po yung remote interior niya. So, 75 plus 60, that is 135. Let us check here. So, this is an exterior angle at ang remote interior angle niya ay itong dalawa. So, pag inad natin to dapat equal doon. So, 60 plus 45, that is 105. Also, this one, so this is your exterior angle and these two are the two remote interior angles of angle 6. So, 75 plus 45, that is 120. Okay? Now, I have here a given table. So, I want you to identify the exterior angles given by the figure, our illustration. So, we have this 6 exterior angles. We have angle 4, angle 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, let us identify the two remote interior angles of angle 4. So, ano yung remote interior niya? Ibig sabihin, not adjacent. So, we have angle 2 and angle 3. For angle 5, so same lang po. Kasi exterior angle din siya ni angle 1. So, ano po yung remote interior ni angle 5? We also have angle 2 and angle 3. For our angle 6, ano po ang kanyang remote interior? We have angle 1 and angle 3. Ganun din po kay angle 7. And then for angle 8, ano po ang kanyang remote interior? Yung hindi adjacent sa kanya. We have angle 1 and angle 2. Ganon din po syempre kay angle 9. Alright, now, let us give the measures of this angle. So, for angle 4, ano yung nakuha natin kanina? We have 105 degrees. For angle 5, for angle 3, we have 45 degrees. So, ilagay lang po natin lahat ng measures natin. Angle 5, angle 2, and 3. So, we have this measures of the angles. Okay, now, so given by the measures of the angles from our figure, now I want you to compare the exterior angle and one of its interior angle. So, yung isa sa mga remote interior angle niya. So, i-compare natin yung ating exterior angle dun sa isa sa remote interior angle niya. So, as you can see, this is bigger or greater than one of the remote interior angle. So, kung ito naman ang gagamitin natin, yung isang remote interior niya, ganun pa rin. Your exterior angle is greater than one of its interior angles. So we can say that the exterior angle is greater than one of its remote interior angles. So kahit ito pa yan, mas mataas pa rin siya. Kahit ito pa yan, mas mataas pa rin siya. Why? Kasi nga po, yung dalawang remote interior angles niya ay katumbas lang po nung exterior angle. So kung isa lang po, ibig sabihin automatic mas mataas sa exterior angle. So kahit ito pa yan, mas mataas pa rin sa exterior angle. So always remember that the exterior angle is always greater than its one of its remote interior angles. Sa isa sa mga remote interior angle niya. And any remote interior angle is less than the exterior angle. So, kahit ano dyan. So, kung ito, less than siya kay exterior angle. Kung ito naman, less than din siya kay exterior angle. So, again ha, any. Alin man dito. Okay? So, we can say that the measure of an exterior angle is always greater than the measure of any of the two remote interior angles in a triangle. Tatandaan na for every exterior angle, this is always greater than one of its remote interior angle. And that is exterior angle inequality theorem. Yun po ang sinasabi ng exterior angle inequality theorem, that the measure of an exterior angle is always greater than the measure of any of its two remote interior angles. Let's have an example. So list all the angles. So given the figure, so as you can see, we have here how many triangles? We have 3. Okay, so we have the green triangle, the yellow triangle, and the bigger triangle. So, ito po, yung mas malaki, yung pinakamalaki sa kanila. Okay? So, tatandaan, tingnan mabuti po yung exterior angle natin ha, huwag po tayo mali dito. Si angle 1 po ay hindi po siya exterior angle ni angle 8. Okay? Kasi, dapat po, it forms a linear pair. So, kung ito po si angle 8 mo, dapat pa ganun yan. Okay? So, and si angle 2 naman, hindi rin siya exterior angle ni si angle 2, hindi rin siya interior angle ni angle 1. So, hindi niya rin to exterior angle kasi dapat wala ito si angle 8 para masabi natin exterior angle siya ni angle 2. Now, so kanino lang siya exterior angle? Dun lang po sa bigger triangle natin. Okay? Dun po sa pinakamalaking triangle natin, exterior angle po siya. Okay? So, tingnan po natin mabuti ang ating figure bago po tayo sumagot. So, list all the angles. Number 1, angles greater than the measure of angle 2. Since greater po ang sinabi dito, mas mataas daw po. So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap niya rito is the exterior angle. So, kung exterior angle ang hinahanap niya, ibig sabihin, remote interior niya to. Okay? So, ito si angle 2. Ito po si angle 2. Ano yung exterior angle na not adjacent sa kanya? So, dito sa yellow triangle natin, dito muna tayo mag-focus sa yellow na triangle. Ang exterior angle na not adjacent sa kanya ay si angle 4 at si angle 6. Okay. So, hindi na natin, since hindi naman siya interior ni green, so wala tayong makukuha rito sa green. Okay, so we have the angles greater than the measure of angle 2. So, ang hinahanap niya since greater, based dun sa exterior angle inequality theorem, that the exterior angle is always greater. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, dun palang malalaman nyo na ang hinahanap o ang tinatanong dito is the exterior angle. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, etong angle 2 na given ay isa sa remote interior niya. So, kung ito ay remote interior, ano yung not adjacent sa kanya? We have angle 4 and angle 6. Next, angles greater than the measure of angle 3. So, if this is your angle 3, so greater ulit, ibig sabihin exterior angle. So, kung exterior angle, ibig sabihin remote interior niya to. So, ano yung exterior angle ni angle 3 na hindi adjacent sa kanya? So, hindi pwede si angle 4 kasi adjacent yan. Yung non-adjacent na exterior angle. So, kung dito tayo sa yellow triangle, Ang non-adjacent sa kanya ay si angle 6. Ano pa po? So, we have angle 6. Pagdating sa malaking triangle natin, ang exterior angle na hindi adjacent sa kanya ay si angle 9 and angle 1. So, we have angle 6, angle 9, and angle 1. Next, angles less than the measure of angle 6. So, less than, ibig sabihin, mas maliit. So, ang tinutukoy nito ay remote interior niya. Ano yung remote interior ni angle 6? Okay? So, kung ito si exterior angle, ano ang remote interior niya? So, we have angle 2 and angle 3. Next, angles less than the measure of angle 1. So, since less than ulit ito, ibig sabihin, this is referring to the remote interior. So, ang remote interior, ano ba yung dalawang remote interior ni angle 1? So, bukod sa, since meron tayong 3 triangles na dito, i-consider din po natin kung meron pang ibang remote interior si angle 1 sa ibang triangles. So, let's have the angle 1. So, ito ay exterior angle. So, ano yung remote interior angle niya? So, dun muna tayo sa malaking triangle. So, ang remote interior angle ni angle 1 ay angle 3 and angle 7. Now, meron pa po ba? Wala na po. Kasi hindi naman po siya exterior ni green triangle at ni yellow triangle. So, only angle 3 and angle 7. Next, less than. So, angles less than the measure of angle 9. So, less than ulit, ibig sabihin, this is referring to the remote interior. So, ano po yung remote interior angles sa angle 9? Dahil yun po ang mga less than. Okay, so, if this is the exterior angle, so, dito muna tayo sa green triangle. So, ang remote interior niya is angle 6 and angle 8. Para naman sa malaking triangle natin, so ang remote interior niya ay only angle 3. Hindi po pwede ito kasi magkaibang angle yan. So, only angle 3. So, we have angle 6, angle 8 sa green triangle. And for the bigger triangle, we have angle 3. So, we have 3 answers. Angle 6, angle 8, and angle 3. Next, angles greater than the measure of angle 8. So, we have angle 8. Ito po siya. So, greater, ibig sabihin, ang hinihingi ay exterior angle niya na hindi adjacent sa kanya. So, dito sa green triangle natin, ano po ang exterior angle na hindi adjacent sa kanya? So, we have 9 and 5. Angle 9 and angle 5. Now, greater. Greater than the measure of angle 5. So, ibig sabihin, exterior angle to. So, kung ito po si interior angle, remote interior niya, ano po yung exterior angle na hindi adjacent sa kanya? So, we have, sa yellow triangle, we have angle 4. Okay? Meron pa po ba? Wala na po. So, we only have angle 4. Next, angles greater than the measure of angle 7. So, greater, mas mataas sa measure ni angle 7. So, exterior angle po ang hinahanap nito. So, kung ito po yung remote interior, hindi pwede ito kasi hindi niya to remote. Okay, remote interior at adjacent sila. Pag sinabing exterior angle na kung saan remote interior niya to, dapat not adjacent. So, for the green triangle, we have angle 5. Okay, and for the bigger triangle, we have angle 1 and angle 4. So, we have 3 answers. Angle 5, angle 1, and angle 4. And then, angles greater than the measure of angle 6. So, again, we are looking for the non-adjacent exterior angle. So, if this is your angle 6, for the green triangle, we have angle 9. Meron pa? Wala na po. So, we only have angle 9. And for angles less than the measure of angle 4, if this is your angle 4, less than. So, ibig sabihin ng tinutukoy nito, remote interior niya. So, ang remote interior niya dito sa yellow triangle natin is we have angle 2 and angle 5. Para naman sa bigger triangle, we have only angle 7. So, angle 2, angle 5, and angle 7. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo for more video tutorials. This is your guide in learning your math lessons, your Wow Math channel.